What it is up, everybody? We are back. Dvin RPG 2. Yeah, so we're back. Deciding to build an underground house. Still night time. Do not want to go out. Put on easy, because Divine RPG is not easy. So it's crafting table. Let's make a. I have enough to make it yet, I guess. Nope. Yeah, I don't have enough. So I gotta go for some more wood tomorrow. Yeah, can't make it. So we're just gonna wait here for the night. And I'll see you guys back in the morning. Hey guys, we're back. So I'm going to leave this place open. First of all, we gotta make a really high block thing, structure, block structure. So then we know where we are going and where we're not going. This is our spawn. I mean, not spawn. Where we are supposed to be. The funny spot. Be good enough. So let's jump in the water. Okay, where's that creeper? Hey, little creeper. Hey, little creeper. Wait for this creeper to come to us. Oh yeah, and we gotta find a bed, because it's not very easy to find a bed. Come on, come on. Thank you. 4 more, then we can make some TNT. That was great. Right, Brandon? Yes. You guys think that was great? Because I thought that was epic. Again, with epicness. Oh, so funny. So funny, Brandon. Yeah, so kind of failed the first one, so that's why I'm turning it to easy, because I did not know how hard Divine RPG was. Yeah, so we're gonna put it down a notch. 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, this should be stacked. It's good enough. Now let's go on and find some sheep. That's necessary. But now, that's an absolute need. That's the thing, I wonder if Divine RPG mod things still go in easy mode. If not, that stinks. Let's see what happens when I turn it back to normal. Let's just see if we see any crabs. If not, then yeah, so be it. See what's here. I haven't seen any crabs. Oh, running on hunger. So, I'm gonna have to turn it back to normal. So, let's see what happens when we put it to normal. The crabs spawn now. I think they should spawn in easy too. I don't know. Well, this game is kind of buggy right now. Look at it. It's not even loading. It just shows us where to go and where not to go. So that's good. Find something. Oh, good. We found a ravine. This is great. I'm gonna turn it back to easy. Not peaceful. Peaceful is too easy. Okay. Right now I gotta do some epic parkour thing. Is what I'll call it now. Okay, we're gonna have to. That. Oh, good. Jungle dance. Something you do not want to see. Okay. Pick up this iron. Make iron armor. Be good. Good. Start off. Pick up this coal. Pick up this coal. Pick up this coal. Pick up the coal. Pick up the coal. The thing I hate about ravines, especially huge ravines. You do not want to fall down like what I just did. Smart idea. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Oof. That was close. Okay, let's go put that iron down there. Can't believe I survived this. I have enough to use some jungle wood. Jungle wood! Because this is needed. We need to do all this work just to get this 4 pieces of iron. Worth it. Definitely worth it. So let's get up. Or it's night. Then go back, comes in here, that hits us off, and we die. Gotta go up. That was a close one. Another close one, right? And now comes a zombie. Oof. Hits us apple. 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 So we shall eat. And we gotta find our way back. That's what we need to do. Start mining. And that's what we should start off doing. Start crafting armor. We need that. And an iron pickaxe. That's some redstone, something like that. I was playing a previous world of this, and it stunk because I found all this like fun diamonds and all this awesome stuff, and then I fell down right next to lava. And these guys came out of nowhere. This giant red cyclops came out of nowhere and just massacred me, and lost all my stuff since I was right next to the lava. So of course I had to fall down. Oh, it was so bad. Yes, let's go back. Let's go back home. Go back home. Let's go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay. Start mining. 25 coal should be good enough. Just dirt block and sand block. And we shall make a chest full of random stuff. My other one, I had it all organized. Don't know why. Spent all that time doing. But okay, let's stick all this stuff in the chest. Cobblestone, don't need chicken. We need the chicken. The chicken. Cook that chicken. The chicken. We shall. Don't know what to do. Get back that bow. Don't need bone. Seeds, not yet. We don't need a farm yet. Gonna go with planks. Coal. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna need that. Torches. Axe, definitely not. Need pickaxe. Oh yeah, we need one. Okay, I'm gonna just mine on these. Because we're gonna need another one. Put this iron. Okay, pretty good. Flour. So you get that. Flour. Feathers do not need. Definitely not. Drink iron pickaxe. I think we should. Start off with stone. We don't need this yet. Okay, this should be good. Okay. Anyways, it's gonna be night. Got 3 pickaxes. 2 swords. torches and chicken. And chicken. Chicken. Start off making a helmet. I think this way. Helmet. Chestplate. That should be good enough for now. Okay, while we look at let's see. Yep, it's nighttime already. So let's just start mining. Best part Minecraft. Let's put the coordinates in. Oh, not a screenshot. Not necessary. Okay. Come on, come on. Okay. Just enough to make it. Okay. Put this cobblestone back. And we're set. That thing is going to be price. This is going to be a long mining expedition. And search for, I don't know, stuff. And search for stuff with Brandy. Fast series and search for stuff. So we'll dig to about 20 and then find our way around. Oh great, pickaxe broke already. Use this one. Use the cheesy wooden pickaxe. Already, we're gonna need some torches. Okay. So, big ass broke. Great. So, I have to start them going. Okay. So, let's go and go and go and go. Come on, I should be finding some iron right now. See, stick around. See if you find anything. Okay. Nothing yet. Go to about 20, and that's when you should start finding something at least. Need some sand. See if you find anything. Some gravel. Something I don't like to find. No. You. No. Okay. So we're about 30. Found absolutely nothing. Great. Looks like wasting all these torches. Okay, so I think we're gonna wrap up the video for today. Hope you guys liked it, and comment, subscribe, and goodbye.